Hey guys, so we are still talking about the 13 colonies this week in Simple Solutions. Today we're going to talk about 13 colonies in economics. So let's go ahead and hop into the passage. This is lesson 35. The New England colonies, the Middle colonies, and the Southern colonies built economies of their own based on the variety of natural resources that were available in each region. The colonists began to produce much of what they needed to survive, and when they produced more than what they needed, they were able to trade with others. Europe had many resources and supplies that the colonists wanted and needed, so international trade developed. The colonists did not have complete freedom to trade with European countries, however. Great Britain controlled what, how much, and from where items could be traded, and the British charged tariffs or taxes placed on imports. So, number one comes from that last sentence. Great Britain imposed tariffs on imports. What are tariffs? The text right here says that tariffs are taxes or money that you have to pay on imports. Number two, trade between countries is called, it's bold, international trade. So if you're trading between countries. The law of supply and demand influences the pricing of goods and services. According to this law, two things determine price: the supply, which is how much is available, and the demand, or how much the product people want. The higher the demand for an item, the higher the price will be. When demand is high and supply is low, the price will be very high. So I'm going to underline that because, guys, this reminds me of like what's happening right now. Everybody wants the new PS5. The demand is so high for PS5. The supply is low. You can't find them hardly anywhere. Therefore, people are turning around and selling them for what? A really, really, really high price, right? You can do that when the demand's high and the supply is low. When demand for an item is low, the price tends to be low. When supply is high and demand is low, the price of the item will be very low. Okay. So number three, according to the chart, a good that is in blank will cost the most. So something that's going to cost a lot of money is probably going to be in low supply and high demand. Everybody wants it. There's not a lot of it. Okay. Price is going to be high. Number four, blank is how much of a good or service people want. That's going to be your demand. How much people want is the demand. Okay. And how much is available is your supply. Number five, blank lines are sometimes called meridians. We know the prime meridian is 0 degrees longitude. So longitude lines are sometimes called meridians. All right. And last one, draw a line from the name of each continent to its location on the map. So we'll start with Africa, which is here. All right. Europe, Asia, Australia, Antarctica, South America, and North America. Right, so make sure that you have those locations, and I will see you for 36 very soon.